In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your subscriber count on YouTube. As you can see, my subscriber count is currently visible here. If you want to hide this subscriber count here on YouTube, all you need to do is to go to your browser. It can be done on the YouTube mobile app, where you can change off your subscriber count. Is you go to your phone browser. You can use either Opera Mini, you can use Safari, you can use Chrome browser, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'll be using Safari browser. So once you open your browser, you type on the search bar studio.youtube.com. As you can see, this is my dashboard, the dashboard for my YouTube channel. So once you're in your dashboard on the studio.youtube.com, you click on the settings at the bottom. You click on settings. As you can see, I'm in my settings. Under the settings, you click on channel. After you've clicked on channel, you click on advanced settings. Then you scroll down. You see subscriber count. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. You can tick it off if you don't want your subscriber to be displayed. Then you save it here. Your subscriber will no longer be visible. So let's go back to our YouTube channel to see if our subscriber count is still visible. As you can see, my subscriber count is no longer visible. So guys, that is it on how to hide subscribers on YouTube. I believe this video is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking the video, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.